We started that last summer, receiving bids from a variety of cities, and so we spent last fall going and doing site tours of all these various conference centers and hotels in these different cities. And so as we went, we had to look at a variety of things to keep in mind. We looked at space issues, number of meeting rooms these facilities offer to us, how many rooms of a certain size, the large ballrooms that we set up for perimeter, how many theater. In addition to that, we looked at what we would be charged for rental space. A big consideration that we kept in mind going forward was food prices. One of the things that I put together as we went and visited all these various cities was I put together this grid, which is a listing of all of the locations that we went to. This is all of the rooms that that facility had to offer. And so we were able, by having this table, we were able to actually visually compare these facilities and see which facilities could offer us the most number of rooms at the best size. Well, this location has great space, but what about the fees? What about the rental fee? What type of food and beverage minimums do they require? What's the parking fees in these cities? Again, what's the food prices? The bottom line is there is no perfect place for us, because we have to really be careful and look out for our members and make sure that we're getting them the best hotel rates that we can get for them. But we also have to look at the total cost and trying to keep that to a minimum, because we as an association still have to pay for that cost, and we want to try and keep it as low as possible for our attendees as well. Sometimes it's not possible to do that. So we have to look at, with the budgets that we have to use, what is the best space that we can get.